Hi, it's Dr. Zoe. This is your little at-home tutorial for your magic wand or your dental pain eraser. So there's only one button on it. You just push that button, wait till it turns blue at the end, and then you'll see that there's two little rounded prongs here. And you just make sure that both of those rounded prongs are touching the gums at the same time. And I'm just doing it on this one front tooth. All I'm doing is massaging the gums here. You hold it for about 20 seconds over each tooth. This would be if, let's say this front left tooth is sore, I'm just gonna rub it on here for about 20 seconds. If sometimes with braces, super common, you get, let's say a like ulcer or pain, maybe from one of these pokey brackets, and you just kind of rub it on that area if it's bothering them. And it will take away all of the pain for about 48 hours. So we hope you love it. I hope it works well for you.